Hey everybody, excuse my appearance. It is my weekend off, so normally when it's my weekend off, I don't care what I look like. I'm chilling in my pajamas. Alright, so I went to the Dollar Tree. Still have yet to find anything of more wish list items, and I grabbed a couple things that I got inspired off of Instagram. So without other ado, let me shush and let's get into this. So I picked up 2 of these peel and stick, and they are poster stickers, and there are 56 characters. So I got 2 of these, and they are letters because I am going to be making signs. So I picked up 2 of those just to make sure I had enough lettering and all that. Let me do my food first, and I only grabbed just a tiny bit of goodies. Alright, so without other ado, start with the food. Alright, so I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree, and these are just Snyder's. And right here it says they were originally $2.99 and I got them for $1. And these are the Snyder's Butter Snaps flavored pretzels. I love pretzels to snack on, and I feel like they're a little bit more healthier for you than like chips or anything like that. And you guys know I am trying to eat better, and it does say $2.99, so this was originally $3 but got it for $1. And I am obsessed with Whoppers. If you guys watched me for a while, you guys know I've hauled these probably quite a bit of a few times. They're my weakness, okay? Okay. Alright, and this was actually really surprising to me to find this at the Dollar Tree. And this is Mexican hot sauce and, you guys, Valentina sauce. This stuff lasts forever. The expiration date is 2024. It makes you wonder what is in it. But I love this on my eggs. I love this on any type of style of tacos, especially homemade tacos. I love this on tamales, anything to that nature. I love some Valentina sauce, you guys. I can tear it up, tear it up. Alright, and then my husband picked up candy, and they're the Haribo, I have no idea. And they're just the golden gummy bears, and then these ones are sweet and sour twin snakes. And then, you guys, I was actually really shook by these. Now, they sell these at my store where I work, and they are $3.29, I believe, and they're like a little bit more cheaper once they go on sale. But you guys, now the only thing I did notice with my Dollar Tree, doesn't mean your Dollar Tree is going to be like this. My Dollar Tree was very limited of the flavors of these, and I've always wanted to try these. And these are the Duncan Hines Perfect Size for One. I've always wanted to try these, but I just never felt like $3.29 was worth me trying these. And these are good till September 24th, 2019. And then I picked up this cute one because it is a color changing cake, and you get 4 individual pouches. And one thing I do want to throw out there is definitely look to see what you need for the instructions, because thank God I looked at the instructions, because all of them just said water except for this one. This one says it needed 3 tablespoons of apple juice. Girl. So we got some apple juice, and plus I love apple juice anyways. So I remember my mom, and this is good till 3/20/20. My mom went to nursing school, and I guess the teacher played a joke on them, and they were like, at the specific moment, they were like testing urine of humans, and the lady, I guess, poured apple juice in her cup and then was telling everybody after you stuck the stick down in it to make sure that the person's pee was okay. And she goes, and then you drink it. And then people were like, girl, what? So it was like really funny joke, I guess, that nurses play on you when you are in the middle of going to nursing school. Alright, and then this I thought was a really good find. And we go through barbecue sauce in this house because this girl right here loves some chicken and we love some barbecue chicken. So I found some Kraft's barbecue at the Dollar Tree, and this is they're good till May 3rd, 2020, and this one's good till June 28th, 20. And this one is in sweet brown sugar, and then this one is an original. Now your Dollar Tree may have more varieties, but my Dollar Tree only had these two. And you guys, this is the legit actual size. This is an 18-ounce bottle of barbecue sauce that you would probably pay $1 and some change to $2 and some change, depending on where you shop. Alright, and then my last bag that has a little bit of fun goodies, but which is more of my DIYs. And I picked up 2 of these sketched canvases. And actually what I'm going to be doing is DIYing with these with my letters. And then I just picked these up because I've seen a lot of you guys haul these. And do I know what I'm going to use these for yet? Not right now at this specific moment, but I just wanted to grab these before they didn't have any more, because we all know the Dollar Tree, you need to grab it or you won't get it probably. And these are the chalkboard wood stakes, and there are 4 of them in here. The thing I like about these is you can be very creative with these. You can use these for planting purposes, you can use these for party ideas, you can use these for any type of thing. You could DIY with these, anything that you want to do. That's why I like how it's so multi-use. Alright, and then the last 2 things I grabbed are the rest of my DIY, and I actually needed just the wood frame around it. Well, it's not really a wood, it's plastic, because like I said, you guys, we are going to be making signs. So yeah, keep your eyeballs peeled. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I know it wasn't that big of an interesting haul, but my Dollar Tree has been sucking. The store was empty again. I went in there not that long ago, it was empty, so I will try back again in a couple days and see what else I can find. So yeah, I upload every 3 days due to working purposes, and I'll see you soon. You're beautiful. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise. Stay true to yourself.